Want to turn your bases into a scorched, burning landscape? In this video I'll show you how to create realistic lava cracks and a fully burned effect. Start by spreading a light primer undercoat before painting. Use a combination of yellow, orange and red to paint the crackle areas. Blend the colors together and make sure to reach inside the fissures. Next, use a mix of dark browns and a smoky black for the earth. Lightly drybrush the crackles. Be careful not to paint the fissures during this step. Then, paint the regions that the drybrush failed to reach. A mixture of grayish stones is used on the rocks, and a pure black on the wooden parts. Apply an off-white to the inner parts of the stumps. Now drybrush all the surfaces. Use light gray for the rocks, dark gray for the ground, and a charcoal for the wood. Make a thin red glaze and apply it to the lava areas. This will blend the colors together and improve the ember effect. Add the dark wash to the remaining areas. This will bring out the shadows. With hardly any paint, drybrush the crackles with a dark sea gray to highlight the edges. And do the same for the rest of the earth. Use a light gray drybrush for the rocks and a pure white on the wood. Let's move on to dry pigments. Use red for iron oxides near the rocks, a khaki tone between the stumps, white pigment to simulate the ash, and finally, charcoal black to achieve burnt areas. Add points of light to the embers and finish it off with a black edge to make the bases pop. Now your base tells a story of heat, pressure, and eruption. Feel free to push the glow and intensity even further to match your vision. See you next time.